Today, we will prepare a cabinet door that will add elegance to your design by supporting it with profiles. Let's start making the door with MP-1100. Our first step is to cut our furniture profile to the correct dimensions. We use a 45-degree miter saw to cut the profiles to the appropriate measurements and angles. Next, we move on to cutting the panel for the door where the profiles will be used. We begin by trimming the edges of the panel to ensure a smoother finish. For better results during the cutting phase, we recommend using a jumping saw for all panel cuts. The panels are cut to the desired dimensions. The cut panels are edged using an edged banding machine. Now we're at the assembly phase. While assembling each piece, remember that these doors not only provide functionality, but also add an aesthetic touch to our designs. Panel, profile, fast adhesive and PU adhesive come together. First, we apply fast adhesive to the joint corners and ensure that the corners are fully aligned and connected before bonding them. We remove the protective stretch film from the panel and mark the area where we will attach the assembled profile using a pencil and a measuring tape. We flip the assembled package upside down and apply PU and fast adhesive to all four sides. We spray cooling spray on the marked area and bond the profile, using the corners as a reference. Here is the door prepared with MP-1100. Remember, functionality and aesthetics can coexist. As you can see, by combining our imagination with a furniture panel and profile, it is possible to create a wonderful cabinet door. This door is no longer just a piece, but has become a work of art reflecting the spirit of our designs.